You know what, when our machines are not giving the correct results like glucometer etc., so that time we are doing the calibration of that machine. By doing the calibration we can correct the values and we can correct that machine's errors. So same like that, the brain is also needs a calibration. Why? Because if you keep on exhausting yourself, if you keep on overthinking, your brain might giving you the wrong signals or wrong emotions, and you are under only one emotion for the continuous period, which is very dangerous and which is not advisable at all. If you want to go out from this overthinking and overburn thing, you can follow very easy methods like meditation for 10 minutes or shifting the thoughts or rechanging your daily work routine. If you know how to do that, I can share my detox rehab formula for the balancing of your stress and work. Please write down me rehab so that I can share you my formula.